light a tear there. Whole of this tear come. Like a move, what
When you see that, my viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. So who them a wait pan for clean the gully there? Andrew Wellness and Mark Golding. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like pan the video yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Police murder squeeze and him Chargie a whole harbor. Plus I Donia artist size 10 drop out and Kevin Blake a send a warning to the killers them. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on. Pre
Building the
this.
threat of violence and terror. It continues to be our intention to bring those marauding criminals to justice so that they can have their day in court. Our track record of bringing violent criminals before a judge is beyond question. However, let me say again, when the police come for you, do not raise your weapons against us. Lay down your weapons and have your day in court. But should you choose the foolish option of challenging us with lethal force, know this: I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time. Let me encourage every Jamaican who truly believes in justice to work alongside the Jamaica Constabulary Force to continue our mission to bring down violent crime even further this year. And let's create a society where we can all feel safe.
When you hear that, my viewers, so me could talk about that one, you know. The Commissioner of Police, Kevin Blake, with a public service announcement. I make the killer them know say, when squaddy them put up on your block, just keep yourself calm. Because you see, if you not keep yourself calm and rip off your old iron and decide say you want to shoot out with squaddy them, you go left flat on your face. Cause you just see where Kevin Blake said, oh, him not training police them for lose. So when a comeback time or when a battlefield time, you don't know the thing go already. So here it they ghetto youth. Me tell you, know, Kevin Blake na rampant no man, you know. JCF a take back Jamaica in them and you know. A fight fire with the killers them, you know. So my people, walk with me and now. See them two youth you wanna see on the screen. Police murder squeeze and him Chargie a whole harbor in a shootout and the residents them a run out. And I say a lie. Squeeze and him Chargie never dead in a no shootout. Them never have no gun. A squaddy them put a matic pan them. And I say a shootout. So see it here my people. JCF a clean up boy up. So ghetto youth. Most of you know where did I run up and down with all iron in our hand. You not go feel it right now, brother. Cause you can't hide and bad boy again, you know. The people them know everything what go on, you know. And squaddy them know who need, you know. So you see the man them stepping on the community and pound no black. Just know say a different segment. So see them here my people. Squaddy them fling them down a whole harbor. Them two youth here squeeze and him Chargie. So no walk with me and now. You remember I do on a group where him did farm. Back then in the days. JOP size 10. The youth you wanna see. He was a member in another group there. I do on your artist. And him drop out. And as we always tell you know. Nobody no know when I feed them time. You might there today. You feel good. Normal. And by tomorrow. You hear the news say you drop out. Your family them can't believe. Shock. But I saw it go. Part of life. That's why we have to take care of our health. And know what we are doing in our life. And know what we are consuming our body. So see me and my people. I do on your artist. A farmer JOP artist. Size 10. Drop out. So my people. You know, stay safe out there, you know. Protect on the 3 points out there, you know. But before me dig off, see it here, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And who them ghetto people here wait pan fi come clean the gully here. Mark Golding and what? Bro God, you no think them a go come clean gully? Full time now the ghetto people them for clean up and for themselves, you know. And stop through all type of old things in a gully, you know. Look here. All type of thing. Stove, tire, everything me I tell you now. And then when the gully are overrun, we not go blame government. When a who know, I throw all of them thing in the gully, all when no hear say them thing enough it go in the gully. So my people, until next time, protect on 3 points of road again. When you don't know the code. A life over death. You see me?
Whole lot of theory there. Whole lot of theory come. Like a what the